Welcome back to another episode of a Mk1 full of junk. Yeah, need to have a bit of a clear up. What I'm deciding is you can see the sun streaming through the door over there, so the weather is turning, and I think it's definitely good enough to get filler prime on it. And what you see on the car at the moment is epoxy primer. That's what we stuck on after we shot blasted it. It's really great for just going onto bare metal, and it just stops the thing rusting, which is what I should have done in all the other parts, which I haven't done, but that's my fault. Anyway, body. So what I want to do is let's get it masked up. I think that's what we'll do in this episode. It takes an hour or so for me to mask things up anyway. We get it masked up, we're ready. We can then do some sanding. There's a couple of little panels and little dings that we need to just sort out. Nothing too bad, because obviously we've got a whole new roof on, new wings. So there's just some rear quarters to repair a little bit, and a ding in the roof that I put in, and a ding in the front wing which I put in, which, you know, that's me being stupid. We've also got to seal the roof as well. We've got some HB body sealant that we need to run through that as well. So how much we get done in this episode I don't know, but I think we mask it all up, because it stops all the spray and dust going everywhere else inside. Yeah, and see how we get on for this week. I'm not expecting us to be in paint in the week, but it'd be nice within the week or so to get some prime on it, and then we'll be very, very close then, and then we can work out what we're doing then. Alright, let's find the tripod and some masking tape. Alrighty, plenty of other videos out on the internet on how to mask up. I just do it by practice, and also what I've learned on the internet as well. Just YouTube, can't beat it. Get lots of rubbish on YouTube, don't we? So yeah, usual stuff, different size masking tapes, roll of paper. Oh, I've got this one now, I eBayed it. It's done about 2 cars now, minis anyway, and still plenty left. And I've bought some dust sheets from Screwfix, because they're quite good just for sort of over the engine bay, things like that, just for, you know, flat sheets is quite good with paper. If you're just trying to cover an engine or something, you know, plastic's a bit better, and plastic's great for just then covering other bits of the room. But anyway, how I did it and how I've learned off eBay, on YouTube, eBay, run some masking tape round, back masking as they call it, the professionals. And yeah, there's different qualities of masking tape. I just bought whatever that was on the shelf at Screwfix. I do find that obviously depending on what make of masking tape you get, depends on how long it sort of stays sticky for, and how sticky it is, and also when you peel it back off, it doesn't take paint off with it and stuff like that. So hoping my 2K paint job's better. So yeah, we'll go around, back mask it, and fill it. There we go. And then that's what I always used to do, and then just use old newspaper, but the brown paper really helps, a bit easier. But then what I saw somebody doing on YouTube was, they sort of, on bigger spaces, especially on the doors, I think you've seen this in my old videos, is you sort of make a frame, doesn't have to be too accurate. Just gives a bit more strength to the paper, and when you can press on it. You don't have to be too accurate, that's for me, that's for sure. Not for me when it comes along. Just also makes it just a bit stronger, so when you come to spray paint, you know, there's a lot of air pressure, you know, the compressor, the paint blowing it, so just makes it a bit more stronger. The last thing you want to do is a hole to blow through. Ooh, paint goes everywhere inside, especially if you had an interior. But yeah, that's cool. And then we just get ourselves, I don't know why I'm explaining how to do this, you guys, oh shit. Get a bit of paper that's not quite big enough. We'll save that for another time. And I'm going to start at the top. Really don't make a difference, I don't think, which way around you get it. rest here onto the tape. Like so. And then we got a very rusty scalpel blade. What I should have done was, when spraying the interior, oh, this blade is not sharp at all. Need a very sharp blade, which this one is not. See, what I'm trying to do is just make sure I don't go over this lip, because I didn't paint it when I was, didn't paint it. Especially when you can get in there, you can get in there with one hand. You can just double push it, push it, push it, push it. But yeah, I need to find myself a sharper blade. Yeah, so what I'm trying to say is when I painted the interior, maybe I should have masked up this outside right up into the corner, and then I could have sprayed and got a lot of on here. And then it doesn't matter if you've got like a cover line, you know, it's all under the rubber anyway, so when we come to the spray, it wouldn't have been so critical. We'd have already had some paint on this. You live and learn, don't you? You live and learn. So yeah, that's enough slow-mo. Here come the drums, here come the drums. But yeah, very therapeutic. I find it very relaxing, masking up. So yeah, one window down, lots more to go. Getting deja vu now with the jet black. Yay, back window done. Don't panic too much if you accidentally cut a hole. Just stick a bit of masking tape on it. And just some places where you think you might have not got much on the masking tape, you can always just put a little bit on the other side. It is what it is. It is what it is. And yeah. I ain't no professional. There's only so much on video of the painting. Yeah, I say I'm not very good at painting, and then all the painters out there are going to say, "Why are you bloody doing it?" Because I like to do everything myself, regardless if it's good or bad. And yeah, bit of entertainment for you guys, isn't it? So yeah, I do get a lot of feedback on painting, and please leave comments on how to do things. As I always say, if you're watching these videos to try and learn how to do something, always read the comments. There's plenty of helpful people out there with lots of comments. Is there a right or wrong way to do these? There's about 20 right ways to paint a car, and about 100 wrong ways, I expect. I'm just hoping I might get somewhere near one of the 20. Anyway, there's a load of crap in my boot. I need to see what's in before we mask it up, and I lose all my pairs of shoes. I don't know what the sun was like then, but I don't know if anyone noticed me masking in the masking tape. Idiot. Anyway. It's all good. All good. Yeah, that'll do. Again, the bulk of this is just for, at least for now anyway, we can do all the sanding without it going everywhere. Yeah, moving along. Slowly, slowly catch the monkey. Satisfying, but very slow. Burp, burp. Oh, slowly getting somewhere. Slowly getting somewhere. And do enjoy when you've got a little bit of time to do some of these bits. Just get in there while we still can. Just make sure that looks all good. That looks good. Yeah. Jablo, jablo. Yeah, windscreen to do. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, windscreen. Alrighty, time to do the engine bay. Then we're going to call it I think, for tonight. I'm just going to use a bit of bubble wrap because I've got a load of it. Do the same job for now. And, yeah. So I'll stick this float up anyway. No idea. So yeah, it's 16, 17 degrees at the moment. If I was more ready for paint, I should have been prepping this like a week ago. But hey, you can't predict the weather, can you? So yeah, cover this front grille area up, and then across the top of the bonnet. That'll do us for today. It's just going to be a case of now finishing off a little bit more masking. Mask up around the wheels just so we don't get too much cack on them. And yeah, just sand and see if we can get rid of as many bumps as we can. You can just see I've just started putting a little bit of black on. I think they call it a guide coat, the professionals or something. So basically get a bit of black on it. When you block it off, depending on, I won't even show you my tools, but you block it off, and obviously if there's any black bits, they're high spots. So yeah, you know, you need to do something about them if you want to. So anyway, yeah, alright, well, let's hit it for a week and see what we can get done, shall we? So yeah. Oh, thanks for watching and watching me mask up. Just a bit of roast chicken for tea, I think. That'll do me. Cheers everyone. Bye bye, till next time.